Okay, so I'm up on the roof, currently above the garage right now. So I just wanted to do a video to sort of show you what I'm seeing and talk a little bit about the roof. So obviously we had quite a bit of snow yesterday, so certain parts of the roof, the majority of the roof is not visible, but I can get a good idea of what type of roofing is here and what how old the roof is. So this section here above the garage is a rubber roof. Okay, so the rubber is typically like 40-50 years as far as lifespan goes. She did say, the homeowner did say that she had the roof replaced less than a year ago. So, and I would tend to believe that. So, yeah, I mean, it does look good. It does look like it's professionally installed. We'll talk about the shingles a little bit, but the only issues I'm really seeing is maybe the termination up against the house. You can sort of see like there's a little bit of gaps. So, maybe that could be sealed up a little bit better. I do realize it is hard to seal up against these blocks because of how, like, they're just not flat. So I get that. But certainly maybe going over top of that with some more seam sealer, which is what it looks like they used originally. Typically, like something like this. So this is the Blackjack seam sealer, what they use for rubber roof seams. But anyways, this might not be the best for this here application. Certainly on the roof itself, yes, but right here maybe you would use some sort of like elastomeric exterior grade caulking that maybe is designed specifically for masonry. So, but I'm sort of sounds like it's a big deal, not like a huge deal, really. Anybody can run a caulk gun, and I actually got up here from out the window on the second floor, so I didn't even need a ladder to get up here. But yeah, so we'll talk a little bit about the rest of the roof. There's actually several guys out front here running a wood chipper, of course. Today when I want to make a video, they're running a wood chipper. But anyways, I'm gonna sort of stand here for a little bit, and while I talk about the asphalt shingles. So I would agree that this looks like it's relatively new, these shingles here. I can't see very much of it, okay? But it does look like minimum a 30-year asphalt shingle. Some of those do come with a lifetime warranty, and usually they cover it fully up to 50 years, and then it's prorated after that. So, but regardless, from what I can see, the roof does look like it has been replaced. There was a similar issue with the termination that I'll talk about then a little bit, but you can see there's not, like, you can't see anything really. It's just covered with snow. Okay, so, but I can see that this section has been replaced as well. As well at the back porch. I'll show you that real quick too. That where you can see it looks like that was replaced as well. So, but my concern is going to be the termination. So the flashing. The flashing here looks like it's okay, even though the paint's peeling off of it. But really here, where this is just sealed with roofing tar really isn't permanent because it can dries out and it cracks. So this could have been done a little bit better. It looks like they actually, when they replaced the roof, they reused that flashing. But they didn't like reseal this, it doesn't look like. And if they did a really poor job of it. So, because you can see cracks all along there. So, you know, where rainwater coming down here, right, and getting behind that. So, sort of the same concern as this over here. Okay. So, and then you have this the same issue out front. I can get to that a little bit better. Maybe you can see a little bit better what I'm talking about. There's the wood chippers. So basically this here all along there could have been done better. So yeah, you can see over here as well. So that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about here for the roof.